welcome to DAV Moyle Public School Sita Savangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir. So today we are going to revise the important part of our grammar section, that is conditionals. So let's see what is meant by conditional. So students, pay attention on the given sentences. If I win the election, I will reduce the taxes. If I win the election, I will provide free hospital care for the elderly. If I win the election, I will increase the salaries of the police force. If I win the election, I will create more jobs and facilitate business. So these are the different type of statements given by different type of political leaders. So that is depend on conditions. Okay, and conditional sentence always start with the if. So let's see, means whenever, suppose if you study hard, you will pass the exam. If you do not study hard, you will not get good marks. Okay, so everything is depend on how we make the use of if. So let's see, there are three kinds of conditional sentences. First, if it rains, I will stay at home. Second, if it rained, I would stay at home. Third, if it had rained, I would have stayed at home. So students, have you seen, the first part is a simple present tense. Okay, if it rains, okay, that is a simple present tense. And second one, if it rained, that is a simple past. And third one is a past perfect. So as per the tense, you have to make the proper use of these conditionals. Okay, so now see, whenever you suppose the sentence is in present, what will be the structure of the sentence? You see, first of all, you have to start your sentence with if, plus means in addition. You have to use which tense? Present, simple present tense, plus future. Okay, if he calls me, I will come. Okay, if he calls, okay, this is a present, but you plus future, I will come there. Next one is, if he gets the job, he will give us a treat. Okay, if he gets the job. Okay, so in the same way, first of all, if the sentence tense first part is present, then you have to add future tense also. Okay, remember students, first kind of conditionals are open or possible conditions. They refer to present situations. The conditions in them can be fulfilled. Second kind of conditional, if plus past tense plus would, might, could. See one example, if he worked hard, he might pass. Okay, whenever you use simple past tense, that time you have to use would, might and could. Okay, for example, if she requested me, I would help her. If they helped me, I could pass. Okay, students, remember, second kind of conditionals are improbable conditionals. They present imaginary situations. Okay, imaginary situations means if it could have been happen like this. So imaginary situations are presented in the second part of a conditional sentences. Now let's see the last kind of conditionals. If plus past perfect. Past perfect means, students, whenever you use past perfect, you have to use had helping verb along with the main verb third form. For example, I had written a letter. Okay, so this is a present perfect tense. I had written, past perfect tense. So whenever you use past perfect tense, that time you have to use third form of the verb along with helping verb had. Okay, for example, if you had studied regularly, you would not have failed. So here, how to identify this is a past perfect tense or not? First of all, check whether there is a had or not. If there is no had in the given sentence, then this is not a past perfect tense. So first of all, had, and along with had main verb third form. For example, he had studied, he had written, okay, he had gone, he had eaten. Okay, so keep these things in your mind. Remember, student, these kind of conditionals are impossible conditionals. They present past situations. The conditions laid down on them cannot be fulfilled because the time is already over. Okay, now see, if you are talking about the past, for example, if you are in 6th class and if you are telling to your friend, if I had studied well in class 4th, I could have got good marks. So you are talking about the past. So, but now the situation you can't change. So all this type of conditionals never possible. It is impossible. But we can talk about that things. Okay. So let's see some of the examples. We have to use the given statements in a conditional sentences. The sentences below indicate certain situation. Complete the sentences using the option that you like the best. Add a question if you like. For example, here is given, if I find a watch lying on the school campus, I. Now see, it's a personal response type. You can do whatever you want. Shall keep it, shall deposit it with the lost property in charge. Okay, so you can write down like this: if I find a watch lying on the school campus, I shall deposit it with to the property in charge. So whatever will be the best action that you have to do. So students, in the same way you have to solve the rest of the questions and revise this properly, first, second and third part of a conditional sentences. Okay, these examples are very easy. Already the answer is given in the statement only. You have to just arrange the words in a proper way. Okay students, so keep in your mind, conditional sentences always begin with if. So this is the most important thing you have to keep in your mind. Thank you students, have a happy day.